a new sports car vision from Lexus just stole the spotlight at Monterey Car Week. Whether it's hinting at a future LFA successor, a more grounded follow-up to the LC, or an entirely new sports model remains unclear, given how little information Lexus has shared. The Sport concept marks an evolution in Lexus's design language, and compared to the Lexus electrified Sport concept, it looks much closer to something you'd actually see on the road. With its low-slung stance, stretched hood, large alloy wheels, and flowing roofline, it blurs the line between classic sports car proportions and exotic Grand Tourer presence. With only a few comments to work from, the Sport concept's technical details are still up in the air. Lexus is currently working on another supercar dubbed the LFR, which is expected to feature a twin-turbocharged hybrid V8 powertrain. The absence of visible tailpipes in a performance machine like this strongly points to an electric powertrain. This lines up with earlier reports of a fully electric Lexus sports car arriving as soon as 2026, possibly replacing the aging LC. A few years ago, Lexus CEO Koji Sato suggested that a future electric sports car would carry spirit of the V10-powered LFA. He also teased the idea of a simulated manual transmission, designed to enhance driver connection in an otherwise silent electric platform. Lexus hasn't revealed the interior in full, but glimpses in a promo video show a futuristic setup. A digital instrument cluster and yoke-style steering wheel suggest a possible drive-by-wire system. However, this is still officially a concept, so anything beyond this appearance is speculation on our part.